Here we are today at SRT's heart of production, where the most advanced machines come to life. The Vulcano rail grinder and the DHS units for material transport and handling. In this area, we assemble the DHS units, an abbreviation for Dynamic Hopper System. These machines are used to optimize loading and unloading procedures, in particular for waste material from ballast cleaning, improving productivity and efficiency. Every component is assembled with the utmost care in order to ensure reliability and high performance in every working condition. This is the production line dedicated to the Vulcano rail grinders. Their task is crucial. They ensure track maintenance with extremely high precision, improving the safety and durability of the railway infrastructure. Thanks to the advanced assembly procedures and our continuous commitment to research and development, every machine that leaves SRT is synonymous with innovation, quality, and reliability.